بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. As we discussed right now, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? Sorry for missing last Thursday. I had a very bad situation at the night, and I wake up, I was totally destroyed. But right now, I feel that I'm okay. I'm back again. Our training today, it will not be fully dedicated to deeply on finance directly. We will start the process again from the beginning. As we agreed last time that our requirements, it might be a different things, different questions, and today it will be hand-on training. And I need you, do you have your user? You have your user already. You can even share the users between you and them. And your user also, I think you have it already in your PC. If it's not, let me know. I will share with you the test modules of that database what we have. This database actually it's duplicated for what we are updating. Few points was requested by you and your teams before, and we are working on it to link it to the systems. What are the few things with it? Our operation starts from project. So what does mean if we start from project? The project, we register all the project what we have to add all the multiple POs under this project. And all of them, it will be in one place, which is called one manpower management. But right now, we need to just to know the workflow starts from where and going from where. We will do like a small summary of what we have and what is the process of any sales started. Any process is always started from the front office, or they are calling front office to any other back end systems or something like that. The front office is the sales. Sales, it has a few things to do it, which is under orders. You will find quotations, orders to be done, sales teams and customers. These are the people who's handling the customers. Even if we create a quotations or we make a sales order to them, or we add a customers, or we make a team, sales team, we can name it a team. Maybe we have multiple team under one umbrella, we have a multiple sales under one team, we have a team in Mecca, team in Jeddah, team everywhere, team especially to sell only some specific products. You have some machines that require some technical information, so you can use the sales team on it. And the customers, it's something unique and general everywhere on Odoo. It will be customers on Odoo, it will be the same vendors, it will be the same your contact. So the contacts information what we have on all our systems, it has all any contact person, contact like clients as we said before, or employees or vendors or suppliers, whatever. Any type of contacts will be, it will be in contact. Why? For a lot of things to be used. Sending a notification, sending invoices, sending like some of the statistics to the customers. Odoo, they keep it like that to use it in everywhere. From our things from the beginning, we start to last time to see the quotation, but we had the quotation from CRM. We show the quotation from CRM. But when we discussed last time, I said, Samah, no, I don't need to jump on a middle of the accounting directly before to explain to you what's going on in behalf, what's going on from the beginning, what's going on to start the sale itself. So we make a new quotations. We select the quotation as per our standard that this is all, it's already recorded database we have, that we will check the customers. We select our customers, we keep all the information with the details, when the quotation will be expired, when the quotation is going to be expired, expiration, all the field as you can see here, the payment terms, it's giving me immediate. So are we having this, or we need to change? No, the payment terms of this deal, it's on 45 days. Then we will go directly here to see what we have, what we need to add on this quotations, what are the fields it's required to code this customers, what he need. We'll check our product, which is registered already in our system. Whatever the products have been saved here, you can add, or you can create a new one, which is, if it's not available, we can open the keyboard and write key on the line here. We add this. I add this and I know how much per hour and the unit text rate, because it's per hour default. We said no way, no other measurement, only the measurement without per hour. And even your quotation is going with hour, right? So you will keep the hours here. We can say like whatever unit price, 1 real, and it's confirm all the information. It's fine. Yes, confirm. You can preview. Yes, these are the sales order we have done, because we diverted is it postponed, so it become a sales order. But we can have it created invoice. Yes, we can create it invoice. We started from quotation, we reached to the sales order. We need to confirm. Yes, we are going to confirm.
This quotation it's worked with Sabic submit.
We have quotation, there will be commercial and the technical. So a lot of, I will share you this quotations. So this is
What again? It's because there is a record is going on. If there is anything you need to say, just say it. It will be much better for me to know what's going on.
not only for Sabic, even other than Sabic, the quotations will they ask for in two formats. One commercial and the one is technical. Technical means like what are we providing, like
Again,
power,
and your standard of quotation, it has two type of quotations.
Yes.
What the first quotation is commercial.
which include the money part,
Okay, all the things, and the other one
is technical.
technical.
Yeah.
It has a specific of that one,
Yes.
and you need to write the specific with that.
Yes.
So it will be open for you. Whatever, as you said right now, we go back to the quotation boards. Here is this a quotation. This is a quotation. We need to add some description. Here is the product.
Product line items we can.
We can.
add
This
it,
is for
right?
commercial. Is okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can edit it.
We can add the new product line items. Right?
You can add anything you want. If here, this is not an item, is not there, you can add Sameh, Shaban, and create it immediately. It's not required you to go and close your quotation and go to the product part and do one things. That's, I told you that. Why Odoo is trying to minimize the window experience, to reduce the UI, user experience with the systems, to move you from a middle of quotation, because to create some product that you missed, or you didn't, it was in your list, or you have it over phone, doesn't need this. Immediately when you are creating, it will ask you for another more product. Yes, Musa, sorry, I will write Musa, and I will write also one more Aaron. We become like a product pro. Unit price here 100. Here unit price 200. Here is unit price is 300. This product has zero tax. This product, search more. Here is, we have only zero taxes we have, but still we didn't add the VAT on this, in the quotation board. Here excluded and here included. We add this, confirm, let's review. We create the product in a second, and we have done the quotation or the sales order in a moment. One click with a verify from the finance. one click, if we verify from the finance team that to create an invoice. When you create the invoice, it will ask you 3 questions. What are the 3 questions? There is any regular invoice, this is the regular normal invoice we're going to create, or there's something else going to happen? No. We have a down payment on this invoice, this much. It's percentage or fixed amount. The guy, he told you, no, take 20% advance, I will transfer it now. So you will assign to the percentage. When you click on percentage, it will give you what are the percentage are you going to charge this bill, or what are the advance payment, or what are the down payment of this. Down payment percentage 20%, or if it's down payment amount, it will give us the amount, actual amount 100 or 100 real. Create as a draft. Did we confirm this invoice? No, still doesn't confirm. We are where we came from quotation to sales order, and from sales order to draft invoice. Do you need to draft this invoice? This invoice under whom? Under which project? Under which project? I need to know. So if I need to know under which project that we have amended for you something extra to link your project to accurate database or accurate product in the same area, when you create the bill, it will ask you 3 questions, which is mandatory. You cannot pass this, or they cannot pass it to finance even. He can pass it, yes, I can pass it, but I pass to where? Nowhere. To pass it to finance, you need to fill this port, PO number. Okay, and later on when we link all the POs to our project in database, you will not write the PO number. You will select the PO number. Right now I leave it open and empty because last time you come up to me and you said, Samah, the PO number still will be having some changes during the few days. So until we finalize this one, it should be listed where? In the project. What we have agreed last time to start to create the project. Here is the PO number. When you select the PO number, immediately it will map you to the project. It will give you directly to the project, which should be registered in our system here. We can name it SABIC 2001. Description, you said. I need the description to be on the same bar. So we had the information, PO number, project, and service production. When we select this, if we save this on our system, on our database, already recorded, automatically when you choose the PO number, it will give you the expiration date of the PO. If it's this PO are expired, you will not be able to make invoice, because this is something wrong against your collection. You will start to ask for your money, then you will submit the bill to them. I need this money against this PO. Sorry, it's not allowed.
We need to raise,
Yes, again.
Sometimes we need to raise with the same PO, even after expiration.
It will be with a privilege of approval.
Because they said like we will revise the PO later, like we will add some amount to the PO and we'll change the date, something like that.
It will be as per your choice. As I told you right now, yes, we are able to do it automatically regular. But this is the part that I don't want to pass any invoice without PO, without expiration. But what are your privilege on this? How you'll control the PO if the PO expired?
Actually,
It will tell you.
there will be some-
I can ask.
There will be some circumstances, even without the PO, we need to submit the invoice. They will say, just give us the invoice. We will give the PO later, but we will process it with the draft.
I didn't get your question again.
Again, and increase your voice, please.
No, the PO expiry date, regarding this PO expiry date,
Okay.
okay, sometimes our PO will be ended in this month.
Okay.
we have some work and they will say continue the work,
Okay.
we will amend the PO.
Okay.
Okay, but you can submit the invoice with draft invoice, not the tax invoice.
Draft invoice.
Yes. So we need to process the invoice and they will release the cess also.
You draft also.
Yes, with the draft they can release the cess.
Okay.
By that time they will change the PO date, because sometimes the value will be there but the date will be done.
Okay.
So they will change the date only. PO expiry they will extend.
They will extend.
Yes.
طيب we can extend Mr. Sam do it.
Yeah, we can. We have no issues. We will extend
That is-
it. We extend it. But when you receive this confirmation, you will be having an access to the PO section. Extend it for 1 month, because if you leave it open immediately and it will be submitted without amending, you will never know who's expired. It will not be part of your validation point for any customers, right?
Will be notification before it's
We will have an access to do this.
Then
We have XBC. I try to configure. I try to submit the bill. Submit. This is the draft invoice. Anyhow, what I'm doing now, it's creating draft invoice. It's not the draft invoice itself, or not the tax invoice. Yes, we will make the expiration. Confirm.
same screen you can.
No need to go anywhere. As much as you have access. Right now, the situation it come in your hand. Can you open your user and try to approve it?
Can you send the link, please?
It's on group. Here is the window of your name. Mr. Musa, here is the window of your name. I have logged in under his username to get the approval. So we check the begin, we submitted, and we reach to this point, and you will see this activity entry. From your end هتشوف الفاتورة دي اللي جاية مع الاماونت اللي موجود، ال 100 ريال داون بيمنت. confirm. Okay, confirm. Preview. Same email. هنلاقي عندنا هنا we'll see right now the invoice it's come up. The invoice it's come up with invoice date, due date, delivery date, service description. It required 2 line or something like that. Project name, PO number, PO expiration, and the source. What does it mean source? The source of that from where the deal is come. The source from where the deal is come. Here is from still sales order, still within half tax invoice. It's a draft invoice. Okay? We'll go back again. We confirm this is to be invoiced, and we go back to this order. What we have done today, create the invoice. The 2 payments have been done on this account. You confirm the down payment. In the beginning, you confirm that you received the down payment. Right now, I'm creating the invoice.
Okay.
When we said we have received in the regular accounts, we receive down payment or percentage as we selected, it will give us a level of approval. Who validated? He has to come to you, then validate. If who doesn't validate, all this will become in one invoice. We finish all that. Yes, we finish. Confirm. Here is that will ask you for the purchasing number, PO, all the production PO will set the number. Project SABIC, service production, here expiration, and confirm. Waiting for approval. If we open the account of Mr. Musa, we will find that situation. It comes for approval. Activity. انت كل حاجة هتجيلك في الجزء ده. Activity. Here is the approval. The second approval for the same invoice. For the same invoice, he approved the down payment to begin. Second time, he's approving the full invoice. He's creating the invoice. He send it to the clients, and he is previewing. This invoice coming from where? From sales order number. This time, this amount. From under one here, will I say paid, create payment, and paid, and proceed now to Zatka at the same times. Here it will give you proceed and green that you create the invoice. So creating the invoice in Odoo, you can create from sales, you can create from the invoice port, you can create from the manpower, whatever the invoices you have done, it will be drafted until the final approval. Final approval, it will become with Mr. Musa when you create. And you can create hundreds of invoices and you keep it. He will keep reviewing and he will approve whatever it's applicable with him or no. All the description, I need you hand on today, all the accessibility to all this, to start to make a sales, to start to add product, see the product methodology, how we can add this. Okay, so we'll go back again to the sales module. So we have reviewed together quotation orders. Here is order waiting for fully invoiced or to be invoiced. This an order pending on system. Here is the sales team, which is to be just a small dashboard between how many invoice. If I'm having a team, here is the showroom teams, here is the sales direct corporate team, here is the any showrooms overall. This is for Mehan, it will be used. So every team you will get to know how many invoice are generated per teams or how many sales order has been generated per teams. So from the other way, we monitor the sales through this one. Upsell, if there's already invoice are opened, and I think it will not be applicable, but it will be applicable with you if you open a group of invoices and there is upsell is going on the same bill, but you need to change the dates and the hour of timing. This is the upsells. Here is the product types. As I told you that we create Samih Shaban product from the invoice part. When we create that one, we can create any other services. You can duplicate any one and make it the same, but change the description. Up to you. There are a lot of options to do this. From the product itself, there are some informations. It can give you a more specification when you are trying to get reports or trying to get something against this one. What are this information? Like print the labels. If we have something with barcode or something like that, you need to print the label and put it in tables or something like this. This product, it can be sale, it can be purchased. Yes, might be sometime we purchase water and at the same time we are selling water. So whatever you are purchasing and you are selling again, you have to mention the product sales and purchase. Whatever you are just giving a services, just see if it can be sale, but you cannot sell, it cannot be purchased because we are not purchasing. And if you are purchasing from any other vendors like manpower or hourly charges or any services or something like that, it will be also project. It will be product. Can be sale, it can be share. Here are some of the general information we have, like product type. What are the type of this product? Or this is a goods or services or combo together. A goods, this is a materials or something you will see it, something you can touch it. And services and combo, it's a product type. What are the type of that one? Or it can be both. This is not very important. It will be important with the people who's making like assets management or just making inventory or something like that to their stores, and they need to find the type of each items. But I think with you it will not be applicable. It will be applicable only if you have a big stores have a different type of product. Okay, here, sorry,
Tangible, intangible.
exactly. So here we have the general information of each product. This product here, there is the in invoicing policies. There is some of the products it has some policies that when you select this product, make sure to select the quantity. Might be it will be having some specific requirements if you are manufacturing any product, which it will not work with you. We have a sales price per hours, how much the sales price for each product, the sales taxes, how many taxes per sales. You can assign from the beginning, from the day one, what are the taxes for each product. And I think all of them purchase it will be 15%, but for you also it will be as per your taxes standard, which will be 15 also per hours. Here is the categories. Here is the barcode, which it will not work with you, but this are how you are describing or making the general information for each product. Okay, what you are doing again, Samah, by this, you can add picture for the product to just identifying immediately if you are selecting. Here is in sales, when I am going a sales option, what are the optional product recommending when it asks you, which is also it will not ask you for that, but might be you will have some product when you select it, you need some recommendation. Make sure when you order this. Some people are selling a car without charging. Some people are selling car without petrol. So when he's saying that, make sure, Samah, when you sell car, it has some petrol. This is something like that. Quotation description, you need to, in your quotation description, need some description. When you select this product, you need some description. It will be in here if you'd like to write some information about any product, any type of products you have. Here is this one. Here, this is the re-invoice costs. This product, you will re-invoice it again and again and again along with that you purchase, or you are make it at the cost, or you no, just leave it no, because this one re-invoicing the cost of the material. What I get water by half real, then I pay it 1 real to say re-invoice again the same product under which price. But here we are not making the product pricing and as tagged. Here extra info, what are the tag of the project? We need to tag this project like a liquid project or liquid items or something like that, which is not required. Here the inventory. If there is any inventory like width or volume or what is the diagram of routes, there I have a big store and you need to reach where is the operation itself, or is this located. This regarding the inventory. Also something related to the accounting. Here is the accounting. If this one I'm selling that one, it will be under income. And if I am payable, receiving, giving this product to someone, when you create the product itself, it will tell you where is that payable account, what are the receivable account. If you receive this product from someone, where you will keep it is a receipt. It's a product, visible product, and you're not manufacturing, you are selling as it is. So when we selling or when we give it to someone, it will be what? This product I'm giving for office use. I get this water for office use. Yes, from the income it will be income account. I will not use. When I release it to my stuff, it will be expensive or office or drinking water, whatever. So this is how we are calculating the inventory on us. And I will show you later on how you will release this from your store.
Which one we will select here?
We leave it blank. When we create the product, we leave it blank. This one, it's required when you get some like stationery and you will start to consuming inside that the office inventory. So here it will be payable under what? When I payable, that means when I pay it to the staff, it will be office use expenses, project operation, whatever. We have created the chart of account under two sites. One of them it will be for project, other one OBE, which you selected, it's operation. This already we have updated also on the chart of accounts.
This is very good one.
So OB, this your chart OBE operations. So it can be for operation progress. Every day we are drinking 100 of bottle. This bottle it costs this much, and